dotMD is a 2-day festival of medical curiosity for doctors and other healthcare professionals who are looking for a bit more from medicine. What's different about the festival is that we take a really wide and expansive view of healthcare, using really interesting and entertaining speakers who will look at medicine from perspectives that most people perhaps wouldn't have considered. And in doing so, we hope to reinvigorate or re-inspire people to think about medicine in the way that they might have when they went into it first, and recapture some of the wonder that they lost along the way. In this year's dotMD festival, we're going to look at medicine through the lens of stories and storytelling, and we're lucky enough to have well-known Irish writer Colin McCann, who's going to come and give a keynote presentation, and followed on by that, we're going to have a storytelling session by Irish doctors, so live storytelling about life at the coalface of medicine. We have also got a speaker called Dr. Paul Hedde, who is a medical educator and jazz aficionado, and Paul is going to tell us about what doctors can learn from jazz musicians. We're going to learn from Alexa Miller, who is an arts-based medical educator, about what doctors can learn from looking at art to help them deal with complexity. And we're also going to be looking death in the eye. So we have an afternoon session on death with Dr. Catherine Mannix, who's a palliative care physician who's also written a book called With the End in Mind. So we're going to learn how to have better death conversations with our patients, but also perhaps with ourselves. And we're going to hear a little bit about the zombification of healthcare from psychiatrist and zombie expert Dr. Steve Schlossman. And the meeting is also going to include an exhibition of graphic medicine, which is the use of comics in medicine, and we're also going to have some live music. The main purpose of the meeting is to reinvigorate and re-inspire and reawaken doctors and other healthcare professionals to look at medicine with the joy and enthusiasm that they may have had when they started as students. And we think this is really important because at the moment in healthcare, despite all the amazing advances and it being the golden age of healthcare, we do think that doctors and other healthcare professionals are suffering. And this is for a number of different reasons, but comes about through the complexity of modern medicine and the difficulty of delivering a healthcare service with increased patient demands. But the net effect is that, for some people at least, medicine has lost its meaning, and at its worst extremes, that can lead to depression and burnout and disengagement from the profession. So we're hoping to re-engage people and make them look at medicine with fresh eyes once again. People can find out more about dotMD from our website, which is www.dotmd.ie, and also from our Twitter account at dotmdconf. And we also have a YouTube channel with all of our previous speakers up there, which is also accessible to our website.